The MassARRAY System with chip prep module from Agena Bioscience is a full spectrum solution for detecting nucleic acid variants.
With robust multiplex PCR and quantitative mass-based detection, the MassARRAY system can identify biomarkers including single nucleotide polymorphisms, insertions, deletions, somatic mutations, translocations, and copy number variants.
Testing with the MassARRAY system begins with as little as 5 nanograms of extracted DNA per sample. DNA from FFPE tissue, fine needle aspirates, cytology samples, and even blood plasma can be utilized. Input DNA first is amplified using assay-specific PCR primers. Primers are multiplexed in a single well, allowing as many as 40 targets to be amplified simultaneously. After the initial amplification, shrimp alkaline phosphatase is added to the samples to dephosphorylate unincorporated dNTPs. Next, a single base extension reaction is performed with the addition of assay-specific extension primers and termination mixes. The extension primers anneal adjacent to each variant site and are extended and terminated by a single complementary base. This process ensures that the extension products can be differentiated by their molecular mass once analyzed on the MassARRAY system. Once the extension products are ready for analysis, the experiment can be set up via plate editor in the MassARRAY Typer software. Assays and samples are easily added to the plate, and all assay design files are stored in the MassARRAY database for future use. The plate is now ready for processing. The MassARRAY system with chip prep module can accommodate 2 96-well plates at a time. Once the reaction plates are placed on the CPM deck, sample processing is fully automated. Clean resin is added to minimize the effect of salts in the reaction. Nanoliters of the analyte are then dispensed onto a SpectroCHIP, which is transferred into the MassARRAY Analyzer for processing. Calibration and analyte mass analysis begins once the SpectroCHIPs are loaded. Run progression can be monitored in real time as data is acquired. After all results have been acquired, Typer Analyzer produces easy-to-read spectra that identify alleles by expected and observed mass. Data can be visualized as traffic lights, cluster plots, and histograms. Results can be exported into reports or stored for later use in the MassARRAY database. With less than 30 minutes of hands-on time, the MassARRAY system with chip prep module delivers reliable results for nucleic acid testing. Whether identifying somatic mutations for clinical research or doing high-throughput sample identification, the MassARRAY system's workflow can be quickly and easily integrated into your lab's processes.